Okay, children, we have completed up to this line that the other three buccaneers turned and ran as fast as they could. So after the gunshots, the remaining three buccaneers, means pirates, they ran away from that particular place, means from that pit where they were searching the treasure. At the same moment, just after they ran away, Dr. Livesey, Gray and Ben Gunn joined us. Joined us means joined the pirate or Long John Silver coming from the wood. So they were coming from the side of jungle. Forward, cried the doctor. Forward means run forward. Double quick, my lads, we must stop them from getting back to their boats. Forward means to run fast in a double speed. He's saying to his boys, means his team. Why? Because they must have to stop the buccaneers who were running towards the boat. But we did not have to hurry. In a more open part of the plateau, we could see the three pirates still running in the same direction as they had started, right from Mizzenmast Hill. They had no way of escaping. But again, they said, but they no need to hurry. Who no need to hurry? The team members of the doctor. They no need to hurry to catch the buccaneers, because the buccaneers, they were running in the same direction where they have started, or where they had from where they had started, right from Mizzenmast Hill. It's the name of a place, and they have started from the same place and they are running towards the same place. Means they are not going towards the boat. We sat down for a rest. Dr. Livesey sent Gray back for one of the pickaxes deserted by the buccaneers in their flight. So they were resting, means doctor and his team was resting, and doctor told Gray to bring that pickaxe, means a kind of a tool to dig the ground. Deserted means left by the buccaneers while they were running. Then, as we proceeded leisurely downhill to where the boats were lying, he related in a few words what had happened to the treasure. Then when they proceeded towards their boat, they found that the treasure was not there. Treasure was not there in the boat. It was a story that deeply interested Silver, and Ben Gunn was the hero of it. And there was a story behind the treasure which was already found by Ben Gunn, and Silver was deeply interested while heard the story of Ben Gunn, who found the treasure and the way he finds out. Ben, in his long, lonely wandering around the island, had found the treasure. So this is the story that how Ben found. Ben, in his long, means it was a long period of time, from many days, he was lonely wandering in the island, and he found that treasure. He had dug it up and had carried it on his back. So he lonely dug the ground, find out the treasure, and carried that treasure or the bag at his back. In many weary journeys from the foot of the tall pine to a cave he had on the 2 Points Hill at the northeast angle of the island, and there it had lain stored in safety for 2 months. So he had to cross a long way from tall pine tree to the cave where he stored, or where he hid the treasure for long 2 months. We set out for Ben Gunn's cave. So all, means doctor and Long John Silver, everybody started towards the cave. We passed the 2-pointed hill and met the square, who was waiting for us at the mouth of the cave. So they reached that cave, and there they found Square. It's a name of person. There they found the Square, who was guarding the treasure in front of the cave. To me he was most kind, but to Silver, who had already changed sides and joined our party, he said, "John Silver, you are wretch and a pirate. Your hands are full of blood of the men you had killed." So to me he was most kind, but to Silver, who had already changed sides and joined our party, he said, means who said? Square said that, "John Silver, you are not a good person. You are a wretch, means wicked person. You have killed many people, so your hands are full of bloods." "Thank you kindly, sir," replied Long John meekly. But after listening all these harsh words from the side of the Square, still John, means Long John Silver, thanked Square kindly and saluted the Square, as well as saluted the Square, means he was too meek as well as too shy at that moment, even when he heard some wrong words from some other person. Thereupon we all entered the cave, and at that time they entered the cave, and it was large airy place with a little spring and a pool of clear water. So there was a small stream of water also flowing inside the cave, overhung with ferns. Overhung with ferns means it's the name of a plant which was hanging from the wall of the cave. The floor was sand, and the floor of the cave was full of sand. In a far corner, only duskily freckled over by the blaze, faintly lit. Faintly lit means a small light, a spark of light was there, and I beheld great heaps of coins and bars of gold, and at there I found, means who found here? Who found? Jim. Jim found a heap of coins and bars of gold lying inside that cave. So this was the story. It was interesting. Though the part, just a small part we are reading, I hope the original story must be great, must be more interesting than this. As we have just read a small part of it, so some points may not be clear. From where are they coming, where are they going, so this must not be clear. But as much we have read, we can have an idea, or we can guess that the original story is too much interesting. So thank you, children.